Solima Paila, the General Secretary of the SACP, speaks about how Cyril Ramaphosa and the ANC leadership held secret talks with the DA. Listen to this clip.
At what level were these meetings? Was it at the highest levels? I mean, did the leadership of the party know, okay, we're going to now meet with the DA even before the election result?
Well, I came to know that there was this secret meetings of the ANC leadership. They had a team that was meeting. And I exposed this to the leadership of the Communist Party, worried about it.
Wow.
And the practical effect of it came out after the elections.
So you already knew when the
Yes.
result came that no, the ANC and DA have been having these secret meetings
Yes,
before.
they've been having some of these discussions.
Something.
But, the bottom line is that Ellen Zille was very honest about this when she described the GNU arrangement, that actually practically it's them and the ANC. Others are invited to make this thing look good so that the ANC can manage people like us, the Communist Party and its allies and so forth.
Yeah.
The voice of branches, which is the basic unit of the African National Congress. Otherwise, come and watch 2024, because some of the agents who want to see the demise of the African National Congress actually are wearing ANC t-shirts, but they don't want the ANC, they want the coalition in 2024.
All right, guys. So, in a nutshell, what Solima Paila, the General Secretary of the South African Communist Party, has done here is to confirm what some of us have been saying as far back as 2017 about Cyril Ramaphosa and his rising into the leadership of the ANC. And it's quite sad. I find it quite sad, especially for someone like me who's a student of Marxism and Leninism, that we have always been taught that people who possess the Marxist and Leninist tools of analysis, they possess the most advanced tools of analysis. That the party, which is the South African Communist Party, is always caught with their pants down when it comes to these ideological questions. How did they not know that a Cyril Ramaphosa, because remember that they supported Cyril Ramaphosa for the ANC presidency in 2017, that is the SACP. So how did it come about that people who are meant and supposed to possess the most advanced tools of analysis in society, they did not know that a Cyril Ramaphosa, who is a petty bourgeoisie, would of course advance the interest of the white monopoly capital. But of course, the very same SACP, even to this day, they are still in denial of the existence of what is called the white monopoly capital. So how did they not know that Cyril Ramaphosa is indeed a project of the white monopoly capital? Because the history, Cyril Ramaphosa's history, reveals all of that he is a project of the white monopoly capital. But they supported him. Now all of a sudden they act surprised that he has been holding meetings with the Democratic Alliance. A Democratic Alliance is a party of apartheid, a party that is meant that its existence is solely to keep black people in shackles and defend and advance the interest of the white monopoly capital and the white population in this country. How did the SSP not know that? It leaves so much to be desired. It tells that we cannot trust the SSCP with anything going forward, especially when it comes to the questions of ideology. Because ideologically, they are always found wanting. That is the SACP. Some of us have been saying we knew that Ramaphosa. That's why the DA did not have to stress themselves about wanting to win the elections, because they knew that if Ramaphosa is a leader of the ANC, the interests of those who are funding the DA are protected under Cyril Ramaphosa's leadership. But now all of a sudden the SACP acts surprised about all of that. I'm quite shocked. What kind of a communist party is this one we're having here in this country? What do you guys think of the SACP and their so-called shock at how Ramaphosa has been conducting himself? Go to your comment section and tell me, guys. Remember to join, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much.